Toro Outcross 9060, a brand new breed of machine that combines all the best features of a work utility vehicle and a tractor. With all of the benefits and none of the drawbacks, the Toro Outcross is designed to do more. Engineered specifically for golf courses, sports fields, and grounds, the Outcross is gentle on turf, versatile, and intuitive. First and foremost, the Outcross is easy to drive and easy to operate. The automotive-like feel is so unlike typical tractors, you don't need a lot of experience to operate it effectively. The controls were all designed to be simple to use too, like the paddle and dial control. And with Toro's Info Center, you can create and save parameter settings for up to 16 attachments, which means consistent and reliable performance all day, every day, year after year. The Outcross is so incredibly versatile, it can accept nearly any attachment that connects with a drawbar, pintle, or a 3-point hitch, regardless of the brand. We even made the loader arms easy to hook up and disconnect, so you can quickly tackle every job, from aerating, to spreading, to towing, to hauling, to loading, to plowing. The list goes on, ready for any season. But the real reason Toro's Outcross is like no other machine on the market is because, above all, Toro understands turf. The Outcross was created to be evenly balanced, which means you won't need front counterweights, keeping the machine lightweight on the turf. And it's highly maneuverable, with full-time four-wheel steer and four-wheel drive to prevent damage to the turf even when you're making sharp turns. You'll see the value of the Outcross right away. The unmatched versatility and ease of use means you'll be able to do more, getting the most out of your crew and resources. The extra passenger seat, large cargo bed, and speeds over 20 miles per hour will help you increase productivity, saving you time and money year after year. With the Outcross, Toro brings you the latest innovation in turf maintenance. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you got work done without it. Do more with the Toro Outcross 9060. Only from Toro. Count on it.